Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this frame as well as this crate, both from Dollar Tree. I take the frame and I paint it with Italian Sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I paint it on the front and back as well as the center of it. I then take these 1-inch spools, those I got at a thrift store, and I hot glue them to the 4 corners on the bottom of the crate. I then paint that entirely with the same color. Next, I'm taking a piece of this canvas pad that's also from Dollar Tree, and then I'm setting that aside for a second while I trim up this scrapbook paper that I got from Temu. I cut it a little bit larger than the opening of that frame. I then add Mod Podge to the back of the paper and place it down onto the canvas, leaving a little bit of a border of the canvas around the paper. I dry that completely and then add a layer of Mod Podge on top. Once that's dry, I cut it out, again leaving a little bit of a border on the other 2 sides. Next, I'm taking tacky glue and I'm applying that to right around the edge of the opening of that frame. Next, I place down the scrapbook paper and I flip it over to make sure that I have the image on there right, and then just keep pressing down the canvas onto the glue using my heating tool to dry that. Next, I'm taking this drawer pull that I got from Hobby Lobby and hot gluing it to the front part of the crate. And then add hot glue where the frame will be meeting the crate and place that crate down onto that glue. And then to decorate that, I add in some floral foam using hot glue to keep it into place. And then I'm cutting some greenery as well as baby's breath, both from Dollar Tree. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.